Today I've got my Lawnflite 604 lawnmower and I'm going to try and cold start it, so first we need to get onto it. Push in the clutch, pull out the choke, put the throttle all the way up, get the key in. It goes only one way, so I have to see which way it is. Okay. Come on, okay, that's it. Ignition. So it's working after I put the clutch out, no, the choke in, and then it just started running. So let's take a little drive, let's put it into reverse, clutch out slowly, there we go, it's moving under its own power, put it into forward. And as you can see, it's doing not too bad. It's pretty good today. Doing pretty good in the snow. So we're going to try and throttle up a bit. Alright, so it works fine. Get onto part. So that's it right here. Works fine. Lights are on. And see you next time.